just keep on getting better, still it's better to the meta. They put me on a pedestal, admit I've been ahead of them. And I ain't talking alphabetical, I bet they never know the effort that it took to be incredible. I cook a beat and eat it like it's edible. You're looking for a weapon, if you're coming like a rookie against a veteran, it's gonna be regrettable. You're gonna need some medical attention for your head, and they're messing with a general. I got them in a coma, yeah, they heading for the battle, and they put you on a ventilator, end up like a vegetable. No, it ain't really ethical, they really should be dead, but they gon' fill them with the medicine to keep the body tenable. You better go to bed, go to get a lot of chemicals, they fed them anesthetic for the headache. Man, I get it, no, but that ain't recommendable. I'd rather go and send a host to get a load and blow 'em, but the man is not a hetero. The other way around, a man is really in a man, and no, but anyway, don't got a bit of pity for the petty hoes. I recommend you let another coochie is forgettable. I think I'm about to glow up when I blow up like I'm Jelly Roll Soretta. Let it run up in the metaverse and let it burn the predators. Bagging by the enemies, I get to work and better, make it better, do it better than a regular competitor. I'm feeling homicidal, murder can occur. All I ever wanted was the opportunity to brutally commit a murder, man, to do it with impunity. Get brutally awakened as a breaker when it's 2 degrees, and now they got a killer on a loose in the community. Later in the night is when I go commit a slaughter, then I run up in your crib. I got the Tommy gun and flaunt it like a Gotti. Put the bodies of the mommy and the daughter with the otters and the critters at the bottom of the water. As I hop up in a minivan and get up out of the city, it's a pity I'm a villain. What I did, man, it was really bad. I gotta get away, I'm out of state, but I be heading back. I sped up and I guess I'm on an interstate and really fast. The foot is on the pedal, man, I could've got a medal like a sprinter, cause I'm winning when I'm moving like Apollo. When I'm racing with the pulleys at a pace you getting followed. Now they're chasing me to Vegas like I'm OJ and the Bronco to the Baco. When they said he was the man and then a criminal, despicable defendant of the federal municipal. He killed his freaking wife and got away, it's unforgivable. But then again, I'm taking it, the jury was too finical and fearing all the ridicule. The alibi was critical, admitted that I'm hearing all the evidence was minimal. The crime was uncommitted, but the case was never winnable. So everybody talking now, my name is about to get it, though you always gotta run your mouth like what the heck you want about. You got about a minute before I get up and go knock 'em out, cause everybody wanna be the baddest on the planet, but you'll never be up headed with the maggot. Tell the average got it back with you ain't never been a savage, so you better get to backing up and packing up your baggage. Trying to head up before I take a big ol' head up when I whack it like it's tennis with a racket. But a menace to the many men attack when I end up like a dragon with a file that I'm breathing. And the demon of the guys that I'm defeating when delivering and beating to the kitty and delivering the spleen. I gotta hit them till they end up better literate and screaming, and nobody intervening when considering you messing with the bitterest insidious, the meanest. I'm a demon of the idiots, the wittiest. I really am a genius, while you're dumber than a pit of bricks, illiterate reading. All these stupid little dummies about to get it when I enter in the area. The enemy, I'm bearing a Beretta, get a medic when I let them bleed embarrassed. And you better be, I never give a let to anybody who was ever mean to me or really negative, and better for the energy like Edison and Edison. And I ain't gonna ever leave, no, ain't nobody hot. I got a lot of freaking pedigree, I'm readily available, saleable to Tenerife. I'm not a man, I'm on a ship and headed for the occupants. I swear to God, I'm about to get a conquer in the continent like Ottoman. I got up in Nevada with a lot of ships, and ain't nobody ever gonna bet against my dominance. My motto is I got it when I'm never gonna bow to king. So anybody wanted that shit poppin' a Kalana, and you're probably gonna wanna quit. He's feeling pretty ominous and got all the momentum. Put my head up on a monument. Yeah, for real, I've been an illest on auxiliaries. They feeling me from out of what the Philippines. I swear to God, I really am. And anybody thinking that I wasn't, then forget I'm on my uppercut, obliterate, get rid of all the silly. I'm Brazilian, a killer and a villain, man. I'm strong enough to mess around and put a whole gorilla in a kitty pen and guillotine and simian. I'm living in oblivion. I really wanna make a freaking billion. I'm brilliant now. To the bitter and I'm bitter as a little keeper rapping off a little bit of riddle, and I really wanna kill him or get rid of him. I'm never gonna ever leave this thing again. Admitted that I'm witty with a pen. I got the skill to make a million a minute. Never illegitimate. I really been a freaking illest. Everybody on the internet can feel it when I get the ball rolling. But the moment, I won't ever slow, no, never, hell no. I'm a go-getter. At the top, I got peace of mind. GOAT just reached my prime. All that hate me can form a long line, yeah. Line them up, on the numbers, mow them down like chopper gunners. Gotta love it, going simple jack, drop it thunder.